The holidays are right around the corner, and that means food is about to take center stage in your social life for a while. What better time than Thanksgiving, with its seemingly endless spread of decadent, delicious foods, to practice packing your plate like a pro? There's nothing quite like those big holiday dinners with family and friends to fill your heart and your tummy to the brim. But leaving the table feeling nourished and satisfied, rather than guilty or worse, deprived, takes a little strategy. Here's your recipe, if you will, for tackling that Thanksgiving meal in a balanced way that your body will thank you for. So what does a satisfying, healthy Thanksgiving plate look like? It's balanced. It's 1 part protein. Turkey often steals the show here, but ham is another favorite. No matter what meat you choose, you can count on a solid source of filling protein: iron, zinc, B vitamins, phosphorus, and selenium. Just keep an eye on the sodium content, especially if you've high blood pressure. If you're the one prepping the big bird or holiday ham, check the labels and try to avoid options with super salty glazes or injected with too much sodium. Secondly, a satisfying holiday plate is 1 part fat. Remember that fats are also your friend when it comes to feeling full. While it's true that fats are calorically more dense than its other macronutrient cousins, carbs and protein, they also provide key roles in the absorption of certain nutrients and in creating satiety. To maximize the benefits, aim for foods full of anti-inflammatory fats like omega-3s and 9s. Try sprinkling almonds on that green bean casserole or putting pecans on your sweet potato bake. Which brings me to, a healthy plate is also 2 to 3 parts carbohydrate. But you should be choosy about which carbs you load up on. Fill half your plate with heftier portions of fiber-rich veggies and any fresh fruit dishes, paired with starches made from whole grains or other complex carbs. If you're not the one prepping the meal, plan to bring a favorite side dish with a healthier spin for everyone to enjoy. Examples might be stuffing made from leftover fiber-rich bread, whole grain dinner rolls, or preparing a veggie-packed casserole, or incorporating extra fruit into a decadent dessert. Still give yourself permission to enjoy a little of the more indulgent dishes though, which leads me to, it's 1 part strategic splurge. Surprised? You shouldn't be. It's just as important to allow yourself to enjoy that favorite holiday dish or dessert that you look forward to all year long. The holidays are not the time for a restrictive dieting mindset that leaves you feeling deprived. Our bodies are amazing energy-producing machines that were designed to make the most of a variety of fuels. So as long as we're practicing balance bite by bite, we can enjoy and embrace everything the holidays have to offer. Thanks for tuning into A Healthier You in 2. See you next time.